Imagine you are cruising down the highway in your diesel truck, perhaps towing a heavy load, and suddenly the dashboard lights up like a Christmas tree, possibly putting your vehicle into a reduced power mode that makes climbing the next hill a struggle. If you plug in your diagnostic tool and see the code P205B, you are dealing with a specific issue in the Reductant Tank Temperature Sensor circuit. This might sound complicated, but let us break it down. This code is exclusive to clean-burning diesel engines, so if you drive a Mercedes, Sprinter, Ford, GMC, or Chevrolet diesel, this concerns you. Modern diesels use a Selective Catalytic Reduction system, or SCR, to meet strict emission standards. While the exhaust gas recirculation system helps, the SCR is the heavy lifter that injects diesel exhaust fluid, or DEF, into your exhaust stream to break down harmful nitrogen oxides. Here's the catch. For that chemical reaction to work perfectly and to protect the expensive filtration elements, the computer needs to know the exact temperature of that DEF fluid. The P205B code means your powertrain control module, or PCM, is detecting a voltage signal from the sensor inside the reductant tank that is way out of the normal range. It's confusing because the computer knows what the temperature should roughly be, and when the signal jumps or drops illogically, it flags this code. You need to take this seriously because if ignored, the system might disable the SCR entirely to prevent damage to the catalyst or the NOx trap, which means your truck might not restart or will stay in limp mode. Symptoms often include seeing clouds of black smoke from the tailpipe, a noticeable drop in fuel economy, and just a general lack of engine performance. To troubleshoot this, you cannot just guess. You need a scanner to look at the freeze frame data, which tells you exactly what was happening when the code triggered. You'll also need a digital volt ohm meter. Start by visually inspecting the connector at the tank. Lots of times, road debris or corrosion causes a bad connection. If the wiring looks good, you have to test the sensor's resistance against the manufacturer's specs. If the sensor is reading open or shorted, you're likely looking at replacing the entire tank level and temperature sensor assembly, as they are often built as one unit. It's a pain, but fixing it promptly saves your expensive exhaust filters from getting clogged up.